Welcome to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Westkiss hair. They did send me this highlighted wig and I'll be installing it with y'all, showing y'all how I got this exact look. Y'all, this wig was definitely full. When I say it was full, it was definitely full. So stay tuned to see how I got this easy, beginner friendly install.
You changed overnight. You out of sight. You magnified. You're only human, yes I know. It's okay to be unsure. I hope you know it's okay if you're not sure.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you're treating me so bad. You said you love me, no one above me, and I was all you had. And all my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how I allow you to treat me this way and still I stay. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you.
You changed overnight. You out of sight. You magnified. You're only human, yes I know. It's okay to be unsure. I hope you know it's okay if you're not sure.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. And though my heart can't take no more, I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, 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 deep, 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 I wanna play deep, 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 and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, deep, baby, deep. Then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for the flow, flow, flow. Hold me till I scream forever, breathe, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, 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 and rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, deep, baby,
So guys, this is the completed look. I hope y'all enjoyed as much as I enjoyed collabing with Westkiss hair. Everything will be in the description box, literally everything, as well as my Instagram and my TikTok. You can go follow me, y'all. It will be in the description box below. You also can use my discount code to get money off if you are interested in shopping with Westkiss. Let them know that I did send you. Everything will be in the description box, y'all. Literally everything. So also, y'all definitely go shop at Westkiss hair. Let them know that I did send you. They never disappoint. Literally, y'all, this wig was definitely given. It definitely was full, and I did go in and bleach the knots as well. So yes, definitely keep that in mind. I did go in and wine curl the curls real lightly, nothing too major, real lightly, because I wanted to give it more like a wave look instead of an actual curl. So yes, y'all, I definitely love working with Westkiss. Everything will be in the description box for this company, literally everything, period. Do not play with that girl. She is not one of them. I definitely love the way this hair looks on my skin color. It's definitely bringing out my skin. Like, y'all, get this wig for sure, and it's full. It's like 180 or 200 density, y'all. It's definitely full. It's probably the most fullest wig that I ever had. So yes, y'all, definitely go check them out. We at 50K on the road to 100K. Y'all know the vibes. Don't forget to tell a friend about my channel. Until next time, I will see y'all in my next video.
You changed overnight.